will show you how to check whether the IC is good or not. Hello everyone, so in this video we're gonna see the ICs, okay, the integrated circuit in the laptop motherboard. So as you can see, we have the IC, and those components around the IC, we have ceramic capacitors and some resistor. We have here another IC. As you can see, always you will find a ceramic capacitors around the IC. Here also we have another IC. This is a charge IC, as you can see here. This is ceramic capacitors around it. So now I will show you how to check to check whether the IC is good or not. I will show you 3 ways to test if the IC is bad or not. By using your finger, you can check the heat of the IC. If the IC is hot, it means the IC is bad, okay? Or by checking the inputs and the outputs of the IC. So to verify whether the IC is good or not, you should check the inputs, the VCC, enable signals, etc. And checking, of course, the output signals, okay? Or by checking the ceramic capacitors around it. If you find any shorted ceramic capacitor, means the IC is damaged, okay? You should never find a shorted capacitor around the IC.